We're down to the final four of the World Cup with our pooch Dougie. He's got pink and orange to choose from. Pink is home, orange away. After last night's Brazilian demolition by the Germans, we're hoping Dougie can get back to winning ways and predict the winner of Argentina versus Holland. And off he goes. Look at him, running like the wind through the garden to pick up the balls.
Bring the ball.
Come on, Dougie. There's only 3 more to go. Do it for Zabba, Aguero, Demichelis. Please. Yes! Mario Kempes! Argentina to meet Germany in the final. Holland, you're battling for 3rd. Good boy, Dougie. See you all on Saturday.